Spoken English, English speaking practice. तुम्हें भूल, you are wrong, you are wrong. ମୁଁ ଏହାକୁ ସଜାଡ଼ି ଦେବି, I will fix it up, I will fix it up. गोटे सुजोग नियो बा चेष्टा करी देख, सेठी आमे कहबा टेक अ चांस, टेक अ चांस. मु एपरी करि परिबिनी, I can't do like this, I can't do like this. निजे देखिनियो, see yourself, see yourself. से असुस्थ अछंती, he is unwell, he is unwell. व्यस्त होंतु नहीं, don't worry, don't worry. मु विरक्त अटे, I am bored, I am bored. तांकु विदाय दे दियो, see him off, see him off. আজি मोर उपवास, today is my fast, today is my fast. गंठी को खोलो, untie the knot, untie the knot. ध्यान दियो, be attentive, be attentive. किपरि आरंभ करिबा, how to start, how to start. से केउठारे अछि, where is he, where is he. आपनक कृपारु, by your grace, by your grace. मो हाथ धर, hold my hand, hold my hand. एहीपरि धरन्तु, hold like this, hold like this. धरी रख, keep holding, keep holding. यह कष्टकर मने हुए बा यह कष्टकर लागे. It seems difficult, it seems difficult. तुमे काहाकु डरुछ, who are you scared of, who are you scared of. मु काहाकु डरे नहीं, I am not scared of anyone, I am not scared of anyone. कौन पाई तुमरा डेरी हुए, what makes you late, what makes you late. तुमरा काम करो, do your work, do your work. तुमरा योजना कौन, what is your plan, what is your plan. होई परिबो नहीं बा करा जाई परिबो नहीं, can't be done, can't be done. केउंटी तुमरो, which one is yours, which one is yours. से बे एठारे नाहंती, he is not here now, he is not here now. मने पकेबाकु चेष्टा करो, try to recall, try to recall. आउ किए एहा करि परिबो, who else can do it, who else can do it. आपण आज आसी परिबे कि, can you come today, Can you come today? तुमे कुआड़े गलो? Where did you go? Where did you go? आपनक पाखरे समय अछि कि? Do you have time? Do you have time? भल उपाय. Good idea. Good idea. आपण एबे जाई पारंती. You may go now. You may go now. आमे एकांतरे कथा होई परिबा कि? Can we talk in private? Can we talk in private? तुमे मो पई एहा करि परिबो कि? Can you do this for me? Can you do this for me? तुमे जहा कहो मु विश्वास करे नहीं. I don't believe what you say. I don't believe what you say. आपण पई गोटे ट्रांसलेशन रहिला. आपणकर केते टंका अछि एको इंग्लिश रे हम केमति कहबा आपण कमेंट रे लिखि जणांतु. आमे बहुत उपभोग कलु. We enjoyed a lot. We enjoyed a lot. तांको गाली करनी. Don't abuse him. Don't abuse him. मो सहित कथा हुओ. Talk to me. Talk to me. से केउठारे थिले? Where was he? Where was he? मोते किछि समय दियो. Give me some time. Give me some time. तुमे केबे आसीबो? When will you come? When will you come? एठारे कौन चलीछि? What's going on here? What's going on here? मु भाबुछि काहेकि. I wonder why. I wonder why. कि बेकार कथा. What nonsense. What nonsense. तुमे मते भूल बुझिछ. You have misunderstood me. You have misunderstood me. यह शेष हो जाइछि. It's over. It's over. समस्तंको एमती लागे. Everybody thinks so. Everybody thinks so. That's it. ये थे आमर किछि daily use short sentences. Thank you so much for watching. Please like the video and subscribe the channel if you haven't subscribed yet. Thank you and take care.